you for landing in our channel. Enjoy the video until end, and please subscribe. Thank you.
Save long hair. Take some hair at the back of the head and tie it a little to the side. Make a small braid from the remaining hair, then tie it with an elastic band. Open the bond and unite it with a braid and tie it in the middle. Then tie the bond with the braid behind the hair tie so that it is not visible. Comb it well.
Your long hair has been saved, and you are still able to perform it beautifully. Butterfly and braids.
Take a strand of hair and tie it, and make a small braid from the other hair.
Make a bow with a butterfly model, attach it to the small braid, and tie it tightly. At the back, make small braids on the left, tie tightly with a rubber band. Butterfly model.
Take a strand of hair from the left and right side of the tie, then make a butterfly model. Trim and tie with a rubber band well. Ready to perform. Thanks for watching. To get our next video, please subscribe and like button, and we need your feedback to improve this channel. Thank you.